Coco Wade is performing live in concert with A Night for Lovers Stardom Records Music Concert Series. Yes, it's happening in New Orleans, y'all. February 5th, Thursday, February 5th at the Crown Plaza in Kenner. Get your tickets online at eventbrite.com or call 844-439-9767. It's a red carpet affair and a romantic night for lovers. Y'all, I'll be performing side by side with the legendary Stylistics lead singer, Mr. Evan Brown, smooth jazz musician, along with also Stardom Records artist Brittany Sanderson with her easy listening sounds. And the host for the evening, comedian Carrie B from the Apollo Theater. He'll be bringing a lot of laughs for that romantic evening. Be sure to get your tickets at eventbrite.com or call 844-439-9767. The red carpet is being rolled out. It starts at 6 o'clock and then the show starts at 7. Be sure to get your celebrity autographs after the show. We'll see you in the spotlight.